Hey guys, how are you doing? Hope you are doing great. Today we are going review about Streaming Masterclass. Streaming Masterclass is a program that will teach you the insider secrets of turning your basic videos into fully blown professional broadcasts in no time at all. You will learn that what equipment you need, seemingly secret but incredibly powerful tool most marketers have bought and then just left in the box. What exactly should each stream contain and how you can easily set this up for yourself. Also, if you purchase the product under my link, you will get access to YouTube in-stream ads 101, how to make $200 a day with videos, social media hero, creating the perfect YouTube marketing video, how to get 10,000 real YouTube views in a week, and more bonuses worth over $4,000. If you purchase the product under my link and send me the proof in my Instagram account or in my email and in the description, then you will get all the bonuses from my side. By using this method you can become a professional YouTuber in no time. So let's go straight to video. Wait. You don't want to miss this. Discover the insider secrets of top streamers that turn even basic videos into professional quality broadcasts. That will wow your friends and amaze your customers. Learn the tricks and techniques used by top Twitch streamers and make your video scream value. Buy the product and earn money with your profession. Usually $197, but you can grab this today for just $67. This is one-time offer, so grab the product before the offer ends. Also, you will get access to the free bonuses worth $4,000 from my side if you purchase the product under my link. If you click here, you will redirect to the main sales page where you can get access to the product and my bonus. You've already locked in your fast track to amazing looking videos with webcam advantage, but what if you could take things one stage further? I have created a streaming masterclass that will teach you the insider secrets of turning your basic videos into fully blown professional broadcasts in no time at all. How many times have you seen a video with fancy graphics and animations that are mixed in live and thought, I wonder how they do that? Isn't that incredibly difficult to set up? Don't they need a whole team of people to make that work? Don't they need to spend a fortune on hiring graphic designers and animators? The truth is, most streamers do all of this by themselves. And they are not always the most technical or artistic people in the world. But if you want to compete with online video creators, you need to be creating content that is at least as good as theirs. And if you ignore video, you're shooting yourself in the foot. That's why I created the Streaming Masterclass, so you can quickly get yourself up to speed with everything you need to excel with live videos. You're going to learn what equipment you need to give yourself an instant boost in quality, the seemingly secret but incredibly powerful tool most marketers have bought and then just left in the box, and how to use it. This thing is an absolute game changer. The anatomy of a professional stream. What exactly should each stream contain and how you can easily set this up for yourself. The advanced transitions you can add to your broadcasts that will make your audience sit up and take notice. How to up the quality level of your streams by making elements of your scenes animate in and out. I used this on a charity Minecraft stream recently and the audience was absolutely blown away. The top tips for running successful live streams, straight from the mouth of a Twitch affiliate. And much more. Here the video over, so if you purchase the product under my link you will get access to the bonuses. Click the link in the description and purchase the product under my link and send me the proof that you purchased the product. Then I will send the bonuses to you. Thanks for watching the video and don't forget to like the video, share the video to your friends and subscribe my channel to get more updated information in the future. Have a great day.